right, it's evening time. Hey, 10:30 S Bill with me, Scott. It's evening time. The previous episode we put on this Airelon spar. It's glued on. Now we're going to put on the Airelon nose ribs and start on the structure for the Airelons. Hope you had a great day. It was great around here. We had an awesome lunch today. Not very often that we have an awesome lunch, but we did today. It was ribeye steak on the grill. I'm gonna get these ready to cut. I don't know if you remember, they go on here like so. And these are already ready. So I'm gonna get all that ready and glue it all on at once. So I gotta do a bunch of cutting here. I think I'm gonna use my cutoff tool. Oh yeah. Hope y'all had a great day. Hope you did some stuff that made other people happy. Doesn't take much to make other people happy. Think about what makes you happy. Now, from the square, I have a little extra nose rib that goes right here, 7/8 of an inch over. Talking about things that make people happy. What have you done for somebody else lately? Have you done something for somebody else lately? You'd be surprised at people that do nothing for anybody else. All they do is for themselves. I don't know if you know anybody like that. Even though sometimes people get a lot of stuff done for them, they still don't realize that they need to pass it along and do stuff for other people. Comes right back, we were talking about partnerships, how you got to share the load, how everybody's got to pitch in. It's nice when only one person isn't doing everything, or a group of people not doing everything. I know if you belong to an organization, say a church or a lodge or any kind of organization, you'll notice that there's only a handful of people to do everything. That's a shame, because that puts such a burden on those people, or that person. When everybody pitches in, it makes things so easy, and I don't know about you, but it makes it enjoyable. When everybody's pitching in, every now and then, if you're in an organization, you'll have what's called a workday or something, where a bunch of people would go and work on the building or a park or clean up a road or whatever they're doing. And there's a bunch of people. Not only is it done easy, done fast, that's not an all-day thing. You can get done and be out of there. But everybody has a pretty good time. Everybody's laughing and smiling and enjoying themselves. And then guess what? Then God blesses you. And when God blesses you, what? You're happy. That's what blessings are. I mean, you're just happy. Here, smell that. Uh-huh. All right, here we go. Okay. The glue is starting to set up pretty good, getting nice and thick. I'll go back along and check it. When we come back, we're gonna flip it over. I'm gonna put these wing ribs on, put some more of these on the bottom, put some diagonals in, all that good stuff. That was a lot of gluing right there. Got a lot accomplished though. Ain't gonna be long, we're gonna have a port wing here. We're gonna start trying to figure out how this thing goes on that airplane. That's gonna be another trick right there. I'm gonna look at a few videos like Dennis Tyson's and a few other people's and look at the instructions a little better. We'll make sure I get that right. But hope you have a blessed evening. Sun's setting around here in just a second. And it was a beautiful day. Gosh, it was such a beautiful day. Hope your life's full of beautiful days too. Meanwhile, don't forget to do something for somebody else. Keep looking up. Take care.